Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Now I'm gonna share one of my favorite Egyptian desserts, Muhallebi, milk pudding. It's eggless and it's flourless. I'm gonna pour my milk in here, along with the cream. This milk pudding has to be really cooked on a low heat. Mix together the milk and the cream, stir it gently, and then add your sugar. Keep stirring. I'll keep stirring until all the sugar is dissolved. I'm gonna dissolve my cornstarch into the liquid before adding it to my cream. Okay, now my cornstarch milk is just so smooth. Very slowly, I'm gonna add my cornstarch and milk mixture. Whisk it so slowly until it starts to thicken. We're gonna drizzle 1 tablespoon of vanilla in our milk pudding. It's gonna give it a very nice exotic flavor. While my milk pudding is coming together, I'm gonna chop some pistachios for garnishing my milk pudding. Chop it coarsely. Now that my milk pudding is nice and thick, now I'm gonna add a drip of the rose water. I'll give it another whisk. While it's still hot, I'm gonna bring a nice glass. Now I'm gonna take a nice bunch of pistachio and I'm gonna sprinkle it on top. While I wait for this amazing rice pudding to set and to cool a little bit, I will let you try it, and I will be back with another interesting Mediterranean recipe.